Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to create a more sophisticated way of moving the aliens. Because we've been having some trouble with the aliens sort of overlapping with each other as they collide from wall to wall. So it may take me a video or two to show you how to do this, but anyway, bear with me. So what we want to do, first of all, is select the right wall. Okay? And once we select the right wall, what you want to do is insert a condition, a collision condition here. And when you drop that in there, you want when the right wall, basically, because we're inside the right wall here, when it collides with actor of tags, let's take a tag, any of the aliens. So, because we have, I created a new set of tags that, just like we had with the walls, where we had left and right wall in there, so we can use aliens. We're going to have multiple aliens in this game. So I created a tag that includes both alien ships there. So we want the this rule to start out with when the right wall collides with an alien, any alien. Okay, you want to then change the move direction attribute. Okay. So we need to go to Actions, Change Attribute. I think we'll drag that. Change Attribute, Move Direction. That'll be in the Attributes, Game, Move Direction to 0. Okay? So that, in essence, in the beginning of the game, remember, move direction is 1. We know that. If we go here, we set it to 1. So what we're saying is we're setting it to 0 when an alien hits the right wall. Okay? Then you also want to create bring in, this is a new behavior that we're bringing in. It's a timer, actually. Actually, it's a sort of a rule. We can. It's a block. You can. It's one of the blocks here. You can create a block. You bring in a block, and you say after, let's say, I don't know, 0.8 seconds. Okay. What you want to do is change the attribute. Let's go to Change Attribute. And Move Direction to -1. All right. So basically, this is a timer that comes in. It says after 8 seconds we want to change the variable that from 0 to 1, the variable move direction. Okay. Well, let's see if this has any effect at this point. Let's just check. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah. So you see at this point it goes to the right, stops there, and goes down. Okay. So, but notice it goes a little bit further over. So what I need to do is bring the wall in a little bit. The wall is a little too far out because you can see the alien is too far over. Okay, so let's go back here and let's bring this wall in a little bit. All right, and let's play that again. And that's getting better. Let's bring the wall in couple more steps here. All right, I'm just using my arrow keys while this is selected. Oh, that's too far over now because now I can see the white space, so that's not good. All right, so basically you kind of adjust and play with it until you have it the way you want it. That looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, so you want to do the same thing with the left wall that we did with the right wall. All right, so here is the right wall's programming. So notice in the left wall, instead of -1, the only thing out of all of this, the only thing I need to change is get rid of that negative and just leave it positive 1. Okay? And let me see at this point if that has any effect in the programming. Okay, it doesn't, because we haven't told it yet to go to the opposite direction. Okay, so we're getting the base idea, but all this still works, right? I mean, we've got it, working in this sense here. All right, so we'll show you how to move it to the left in the next video. So we're getting a little bit more sophisticated. Okay.